Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the KYLIETECH car air pump. It tells you the power, max pressure, voltage, and line length on the side of it. And that's about it. You get an instruction manual, which will take you about 30 seconds to go over. And then a bag with the actual pump, an air fitting and 2 extra fuses for the pump, and a set of gloves. So on the back of the pump you have your airline and your power cord that can run all the way to a cigarette lighter in your car. So the way it comes is it has the fitting for tires, but in the bag it comes with a filler needle for most sports balls. So you just take it, you take the needle and you just screw it in to the end right here, push down on the rubber piece to hold it, put it in the ball, turn on the pump, and it'll fill it right up. So now we'll give you a little demonstration and go over what you do to operate the pump. So all you need to do is plug the power cord into a cigarette lighter and the nozzle onto your valve stem. It's hard to see on camera, but you do have your tire pressure right here, and if it's in a different units than PSI, just hit the R button. It'll take you through the 3 different units it has built in. The up and down arrows are to select your tire pressure. It constantly monitors your tire pressure. So this tire right now is at 34 PSI. And then so say I wanted to set it to 35. It goes up in 0.5 increments, and then you hit power and it will fill the tire up. And that's it. The unit will only run for 8 minutes at a time, so it can have a break, but after it cools down you can power it up again and pump for another 8 minutes. A really slick looking, easy to use unit. So it comes with a nice little carrying case that you can put everything in and tuck away real nice under a seat. Or behind like back seats, so you don't have to have a big box sitting and sliding around in your car. Everything easily fits back into the back, so when you go to put it away, you know, the hose fits in perfectly. You can wrap the power cord around your hand and it makes a perfect size for that, and you can tuck it away, and it fits in the bag with plenty of room, with the extra fittings, the instruction book, and the gloves. And it's just got a nice zipper and 2 handles. And that's the KYLIETECH car air pump. Thanks for watching, guys.